Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a VW Passat side mirror. First, gather your tools, including a Torx screwdriver set, a flathead screwdriver, and plastic trim removal tools. Next, confirm your new mirror assembly is the correct part for your Passat model. Always park your car on a level surface and turn off the engine. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any electrical work. This prevents accidental short circuits. Now let's remove the old mirror. Begin by carefully prying off the interior trim piece covering the mirror's mounting bolts, usually located near the window. Use a trim removal tool to avoid damage. Next, locate and unscrew the 3 or 4 mounting bolts that secure the mirror assembly to the door frame. After that, disconnect the electrical wiring harness by pressing the release tab and pulling it apart. Finally, gently slide the old mirror assembly out from the door. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully guide the new mirror assembly into position on the door, ensuring the mounting studs align with the holes. Reconnect the electrical wiring harness, making sure it clicks firmly into place. Then, hand tighten the 3 or 4 mounting bolts, followed by a final snug tightening with your screwdriver. Finally, snap the interior door panel trim back into its original position, ensuring all clips engage. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. Turn on the ignition and test all functions of your new side mirror, including power adjustments, heating, and turn signals if applicable. Make sure the mirror moves smoothly in all directions. Double-check that the mirror assembly is securely fastened and does not wobble. Finally, give the new mirror glass a good clean for clear, unobstructed visibility. You've successfully replaced your VW Passat side mirror.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.